Most of the time when I'm copying I use AOMEI Partition Assistant because it's brilliant, it's pretty reliable. Or I use a standalone cloner duplicator docking station. But sometimes when you're on site or you're not working on your own computer, you need a free copy. So I used to use HD RAW, I still do sometimes. Really good piece of software, easy to use. You select your source, then you target, and then go. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to sit through 3 different things today. Then this one, I have used this in the past, but I didn't realise who writ it. This is drive image XML. So just select drive to drive, select your targets. I think one of them's not in properly, but never mind. Just select your source and your targets and then copy. You can restore from images, back up to an image. Really good. I didn't realise who writ this, or I used it before, because they're the same company that writes the Get Back Data, which is professional data recovery software. So that is a good one. I'm going to keep that for now on and do a bit of practice with it. And also this one that I found the other day as well. It's called Disk Copy. Completely free at the minute. Just select your target, your source, and press start. There is some other options like make the target disk bootable, what you want it to be, GPT or MBR, and do not copy system report store points, so it will be faster. Well, yeah, brilliant. Have a bit of practice on this today and see how good it is. So that's free and drive image XML, disk copy and HDD raw copy.